Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going in store to show you guys the deals at CVS, and it's been a crazy morning so far. So this store, originally their red box usually works, and this is the only store in my area that has GSQ items. Now there is another store, but it's really far away. This is the one near me, so I wanted to come here and their red box was down, so I had to drive to another store just to print out my red box coupons. So basically our instant coupons that we're getting, that was the main ones I needed to get, because a lot of you guys know that I do print from home certain ones, but the main thing was my instant coupons. So I got my instant coupons. I'm finally ready to go in. It's just crazy with these red boxes not working because it just makes the trip really hard, but we got to do what we got to do, right? So mystery offer coupon for Maybelline is $3, and then I got my 2 off of 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. But I'm super excited today because I am shopping with my Fetch rewards. So basically I have a $10 gift card from Fetch. Last week, Fetch was on fire, so I had like 21,000 points. So I'm going to use $10 for this transaction here. I'm planning on doing 2 different transactions because it's just a lot of deals. So I definitely will be using Fetch for my tax. I'm going to show you guys the deals. And then later on today, I'll show you guys my haul video to show you if everything worked out or if I had any issues with anything. So let's go in store. I'm going to show you a couple of deals, and the haul video will be later on. So select GSQ hair care as well as appliances are on a buy one get a $7 extra buck. So I'm picking up the Curl Define for $7.99. There's also a heat protector for $7.99 as well. So basically you pay $7.99 and you get $7 back. It becomes 99 cents after extra bucks. Garnier Whole Blends is on a promotion this week for buy 2 get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $7. So you're going to use one of the 4 off of 2 coupons from our 119 RMN. We have a $2 off 2 instant coupon that's printing out for all of us this week. So you have until February 8th to print that coupon out, making the total $1, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a $2 moneymaker. So as you see here, I am combining the Garnier Whole Blends with the GSQ Curl Definer. So the total before coupons is going to be $14.99 for all of the products. Reason why I'm putting all these products together is because I have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. So the total after coupons is going to be $8.99. After they apply the 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, the total works out to $5.99, but you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So it works out to free plus a $4.01 moneymaker. Nivea Men's Body Wash is on a promotion for buy 2 get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.99 each, making them $11.98. You can use one of the 3 off of 2 coupons that came out today in our Smart Source. I have a 2 off of 10 Nivea Men's Body Wash CRT, making the total $6.98. Now we have a great IBOTTA rebate offer for $1.20, and you can submit both of those Nivea Men body washes, so you'll get back $2.40 in IBOTTA, making this free plus a 42-cent moneymaker after the extra bucks and the IBOTTA rebate. Maybelline Cosmetics this week are on a promotion for buy 2 get a $5 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up one of the Colossal mascaras for $9.59. I'm going to pick up one of the single eyeshadows for $4.19. You're only going to use one of the $2 off 1 mascara from our 126 RMN. I have a $3 off Colossal Mascara CRT, and we did receive a $3 mystery offer. So you have until February 8th to print that out, and everybody should be receiving that at the Red Box Coupon Center. I have a 3 off of 12 Cosmetic CRT, making the total $2.78, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a $2.22 moneymaker. CoverGirl Cosmetics are on a great promotion for spend 14 get a $7 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up one of the supersizer mascaras for $9.49. I'm going to pick up one of the twin brow pencils for $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $15.48. I'm going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 126 Smart Source. I have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, making the total $6.48, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. L'Oreal L5 is on a great promotion for buy two, get a $4 extra buck. So you're going to pick up two of them for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. I have a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as a 225 off 10 hair care CRT. So the total works out to $3.73, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a 27-cent moneymaker. Tresemme 28 ounces on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $9. So you're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon that came out today in our RMN and a 250 off a Tresemme CRT. So the total works out to $2.50, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So this works out to be 50 cents for both of them, or 25 cents each. Sure and Brute deodorant is not advertised in the ad, but they're on a promotion for buy one, get a $2 extra buck. Now this deal is a limit of one, so they're on sale for $2 and you get back a $2 extra buck, making it free after extra bucks. Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick is on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $3 extra buck, and they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So I picked up one of the men's for $3.49, and I picked up one of the women's half off at $1.64. You're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source, and I have a 1 off of 2 Speed Stick CRT. So the total worked out to $3.13, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to 13 cents for both of them, or 6 cents each. Eucerin lotion is on a promotion for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So I picked up one of the Skin Calming 8 ounce for $9.79. And I picked up one of the Daily Hydration 8 ounce for $10.79. So the total before coupons for both of them are going to be $20.58. I had 2 $3 off 1 coupons that came out today in our Smart Source. And I also had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT. So the total works out to $11.08, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $1.08 for both of them, or 54 cents each. And what's great about the Eucerin is that it counts towards beauty. Colgate 360 toothbrushes are on a promotion for buy one, get a $2 extra buck. Also included in this deal is going to be the mouthwash. So these are 2 per household, so you can pick up 2 of them and you get $4 in extra bucks back. So they're on sale this week for $3.99. I picked up 2 of them for $7.98. I had 2 of the dollar off 1 coupons that came out today in our Smart Source. So let's say you didn't get those in your Smart Source today. There is a printable coupon on coupons.com, and we also have one available in our app. So the total works out to $5.98, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Now let's say you don't have a printer and you can't print these coupons out. They're in our app. So if you go on the CVS app, you can click 1 for the toothbrushes and 1 for the mouthwash, and you can definitely execute this deal. Colgate Optic White 4.2 ounce is on a great promotion this week for buy one, get a $1.50 extra buck. Now included in this deal is going to be the Colgate Total, and you can pick up the 3.4 ounce or the 4.8 ounce. So again, buy one, get a $1.50 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So they're on sale this week for $3.49. I picked up 2 of them for $6.98. You can use 2 of the dollar off 1 coupons that came out today in our Smart Source, making the total $4.98, but you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Now we do have a printable version of that coupon on coupons.com, and we have one available in our CVS app. So I combined the Optic White deal as well as the Colgate toothbrush deal together because I have a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. So the total before coupons is going to be $14.96. The total after coupons is going to be $10.96. You're going to use that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, making the total $7.96, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So it works out to 96 cents for all of them, or 24 cents each, which is a super great stock-up price for the Optic White as well as the toothbrushes. Dawn dish soap as well as Tide Pods are on a promotion this week for spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. and they're on sale for $4.99. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Tide Pods for $9.98, and you're going to pick up 2 of the Dawn dish soap for $9.98. You're going to use the $2 off 1 Tide Pods coupon from our digital coupons, and also a $2 off 1 Tide Pods from pgeveryday.com. Now, if you received $2 off 1 coupons in your February P&G, you can definitely use that coupon as well. I have a 2 off of 10 Dawn CRT, as well as a 2 off of 8 Tide Pods CRT. We have available a $1 off Tide Pods in our app only coupons and a 50-cent off Dawn, so make sure you send those to your card before you go shopping, making the total $9.46, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck, so they all work out to $44.46 for all of them, or $1.15 each. And the last deal is going to be on Boost drinks. So they're on a promotion this week for buy 4, get an $8 extra buck. And they're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for full price at $8.79 each, making them $17.58. You're going to pick up 2 of them half off for $4.40 each, making them $8.79. You're going to use 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons from our 1-5-RMN. And I have a 4 for 4 Boost CRT. So the total works out to $12.37, but you're going to get back an $8 extra buck. So it works out to $4.37 for all 4 of them, or $1.09 each, which is a super great stock-up price for Boost drinks. Okay, so I'm out of CVS, and CVS was a success. I did 2 different transactions. I used my Fetch Rewards gift card, the one right here. Let me see if you guys can see it, the one right here. So I have about like $2 left on there. So my trip was like super free, because I just had to pay tax out of pocket for both transactions, and I used that Fetch Rewards that I got back from last week. So I'm super excited about my haul. There was no hiccups at the register at all. The only thing was the Colgate $1 off coupon. It was acting a little funny, so what she did was take the toothbrushes out, because I bought 2 toothbrushes. So she basically took it off and then put it back on and then scanned the coupons, and there was no issues with that. But it did kick off my Speed Stick coupons, so she had to rescan those 50-cent off coupons. But super amazing deals this week at CVS. Make sure you check out my haul video later on today. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.